Saving money can be a daunting task, especially when you have a low income. It's like trying to fill up a bucket that has a hole in it. But don't worry, there's hope. What if I told you that you could save money like the rich do, regardless of your income? In this video, I'm going to share with you 7 hacks to save money on a low income so you can start building wealth and living the life you deserve. Welcome to the General Finance channel, where we're committed to helping you take control of your finances. Are you tired of feeling overwhelmed by credit card debt, unsure of how to create a budget, or intimidated by the world of investing? Don't worry, we've got you covered. Our channel is dedicated to providing you with practical tips and insights on credit management, budgeting, and investing. We upload new videos 3 to 5 times per week, so you'll always have fresh and valuable content to help you achieve your financial goals. If you like what you see, make sure to hit the like and subscribe button, as well as the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest uploads. Let's start our journey to financial freedom together right here on General Finance. Tip number 1. Understanding the difference between wants and needs is crucial when it comes to saving money on a low income. Differentiating between these two categories can help you prioritize your spending and make conscious choices about where your money goes. First, let's define wants and needs. Needs are essential for survival and basic well-being, such as food, shelter, clothing, and healthcare. Wants, on the other hand, are non-essential items or experiences that bring enjoyment but are not necessary for survival. One way to save money is to focus on meeting your needs first before indulging in wants. This means allocating a significant portion of your income towards essentials like rent or mortgage, groceries, and basic utilities. By taking care of these necessities first, you ensure that your basic needs are met without putting yourself in financial jeopardy. Once your needs are taken care of, you can assess your wants more critically. Ask yourself if a purchase falls under a want or a need category. Can you find a more affordable alternative that serves the same purpose? By making conscious decisions about your wants, you can avoid impulsive purchases and save money. For instance, consider cooking meals at home instead of dining out, evaluating and downsizing subscription services, or exploring thrift stores for clothing options. By understanding your wants versus needs and aligning your spending accordingly, you can make smarter financial choices and save money, even with a limited income. It's about prioritizing what truly matters to you in the long run. Tip number 2. Limit entertainment costs. Entertainment expenses can be a significant drain on a low income. A simple night out with friends can easily turn into an expensive evening, especially if alcohol is involved. Instead of going out, consider inviting friends over for a potluck dinner or game night. This way, you can still socialize without spending a lot of money. Statistics show that the average American spends over $200 a month on entertainment. This may not seem like a lot, but it can quickly add up over time. By cutting back on entertainment expenses, you can free up extra money in your budget to put towards savings or paying down debt. Another way to save on entertainment costs is to take advantage of free activities in your community. Many cities offer free concerts, outdoor movies, and other events throughout the year. You can also check out local parks and hiking trails for a fun and free way to get some exercise. In addition, consider cutting back on subscription services like Netflix, Hulu, and Spotify. These may seem like small monthly expenses, but they can add up quickly. Instead, try borrowing books and movies from your local library or finding free alternatives online. Tip number 3. Practice zero-sum budgeting. Zero-sum budgeting is a powerful financial management strategy that can help individuals save money and take control of their finances. The concept revolves around the idea that every dollar earned is allocated to a specific purpose, leaving no money unaccounted for. By giving each dollar a job, individuals can effectively manage their income, prioritize their financial goals, and ultimately save more money. One of the key benefits of zero-sum budgeting is its ability to prevent wasteful spending. With a clear plan for every dollar, individuals are less likely to engage in impulsive purchases or mindless consumption. Instead, they are encouraged to evaluate their spending choices and make intentional decisions that align with their financial objectives. This heightened awareness of spending habits helps to curb unnecessary expenses, leading to increased savings over time. Let's take a closer look at some examples of how zero-sum budgeting works in practice. Suppose you have a monthly income of $3,000. With zero-sum budgeting, you would assign every dollar to different categories based on your financial priorities. For instance, you might allocate $1,500 for rent or mortgage, $450 for groceries, $200 for utilities, $250 for transportation, $200 for debt repayment, $200 for savings and investments, $100 for entertainment, and $100 for miscellaneous expenses. Overall, zero-sum budgeting provides a framework for financial success by ensuring that every dollar is accounted for and used purposefully. It helps individuals develop good financial habits, prioritize their goals, and make conscious decisions about their spending. Through careful planning and budgeting, individuals can save more money, reduce debt, and work towards their long-term financial aspirations. Tip number 4. Lower your housing costs. Lowering your housing costs can be a game changer when it comes to saving money on a low income. It's time to take control of your housing expenses and put more money back into your pocket. One way to reduce your housing costs is by finding a cheaper place to live. Explore different neighborhoods or consider downsizing to a smaller, more affordable apartment or house. Sometimes a change in location can lead to significant savings. Another strategy is to negotiate rent reduction for your services. If you have valuable skills or expertise that could benefit your landlord, consider proposing a mutually beneficial arrangement. For example, you could offer to help with property maintenance, landscaping, or administrative tasks in exchange for a reduced rent. Renting out a room in your house is another fantastic way to generate extra income and offset your housing costs. Platforms like Airbnb make it easy to list your spare room and connect with potential guests. By leveraging your available space, you can earn additional money while still enjoying the comfort of your home. Additionally, consider exploring government programs or subsidies that may help lower your housing costs. Depending on your situation, you may be eligible for housing assistance or subsidized rental programs, which can significantly reduce your monthly expenses. Remember, the key is to be proactive and explore different options to find the best solution for your situation. By taking steps to lower your housing costs, you'll free up more money that can be allocated towards saving, investing, or achieving other financial goals. Tip number 5, automate your savings. Automating your income is a simple yet powerful technique that can help you save money. Essentially, it involves setting up automatic transfers or payments from your income to various savings or investment accounts, so you never even see the money that you're saving. This can be especially useful for people who struggle with self-discipline or who find it difficult to save money consistently. One way to automate your income is to set up automatic transfers from your checking account to a savings account on a regular basis, such as every paycheck. This way, you're saving money before you even have a chance to spend it. Another option is to set up automatic contributions to a retirement account, such as a 401k or IRA, directly from your paycheck. This not only helps you save for the future, but you can also reduce your taxable income in the present. Automating your income can also save your avoid missed payments or late fees. By setting up automatic payments for bills and other expenses, you can ensure that you never forget to make a payment or accidentally overspend, which can lead to costly penalties. For example, let's say you're saving up for a down payment on a house. By automating your income and setting up automatic transfers from your checking account to a separate savings account, you can ensure that you're consistently saving money towards your goal. This can help you reach your savings target faster and with less effort. In another example, let's say you have a credit card with a high interest rate. By automating your payments to the credit card company each month, you can ensure that you never miss a payment and avoid costly late fees and interest charges. Tip number 6, spending wisely on groceries. Spending wisely on groceries is a key strategy for saving money on a low income. By adopting smart shopping habits and making informed choices, you can stretch your grocery budget and reduce your overall expenses. Planning and budgeting play a crucial role in this process. Start by creating a weekly or monthly meal plan based on your dietary needs and preferences. This allows you to make a precise shopping list and avoid unnecessary purchases. By sticking to your list, you resist the temptation to buy items on impulse, helping you stay within your budget. Additionally, keep an eye out for sales, promotions, and discounts offered by grocery stores. Take advantage of special offers and buy items in bulk when it makes sense for your household's needs. Couponing can be another effective way to save money on groceries. Look for coupons in newspapers, online platforms, or dedicated couponing apps. These tools can provide valuable savings on items you regularly purchase. It's also worth considering store brands or generic products, which are often more affordable than their branded counterparts. Many store brands offer comparable quality while being more cost-effective. Don't hesitate to compare prices and quality to make the best choice for your budget. When shopping for groceries, it's essential to be mindful of your actual needs and avoid wasteful spending. Plan your meals to minimize food waste and maximize the use of ingredients. Consider buying fresh produce in season when they're typically cheaper and more abundant. Additionally, be cautious of convenience foods and pre-packaged meals as they tend to be more expensive. Cooking from scratch and preparing meals at home not only saves money, but also allows you to have better control over the nutritional value of your meals. Tip number 7, avoid debt. Debt can be a significant obstacle when it comes to saving money, especially on a low income. Avoiding debt altogether can have a transformative effect on your financial situation. Let's explore why steering clear of debt is crucial for saving money and building a solid financial foundation. One of the main reasons to avoid debt is the burden of monthly repayments. Once you accumulate debt, whether it's from credit cards, loans, or other sources, you're obligated to make regular payments. These payments can eat up a significant portion of your income, leaving you with little to no room for savings. By avoiding debt, you can allocate more of your income towards saving and creating a financial safety net. High interest rates are another detrimental factor that can hinder your ability to save. When you carry debt, you're not only responsible for repaying the principal amount, but also the interest that accrues over time. The higher the interest rate, the more money you end up paying in the long run. These interest payments can add up quickly, making it difficult to save or invest for your future. Let's look at an example to illustrate the impact of debt on saving. Imagine you have a credit card balance of $5,000 with an annual interest rate of 18%. If you only make minimum payments, it could take you years to pay off the debt, and you'll end up paying significantly more than the original amount due to interest charges. This scenario highlights how debt can eat into your income and prevent you from saving effectively. So there you have it. Saving money on a low income requires discipline, planning, and wise spending habits. As billionaire Warren Buffett once said, do not save what's left after spending. Instead, spend what's left after saving. By implementing the hacks we've discussed in this video, you can start saving money fast on a low income and work towards your financial goals. Remember, every little bit counts, and even small changes in your spending habits can make a big difference in the long run. So take control of your finances today and start building a better financial future for yourself. Thanks for tuning in to today's video on the General Finance channel. We hope you found it informative and valuable. Remember, we'll be posting new videos on the channel 3 to 5 times per week, so make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. And don't forget, we want to hear from you. Leave your thoughts and feedback in the comments section below. Is there a particular topic you'd like us to cover in a future video? Let us know. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Keep building that financial savvy, and we'll be here every step of the way to help you on your journey to financial freedom.